Hi guys, it's a little late, but I have my granddaughter here, and she's going to choose the winner for the Netflix giveaway. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, she's gonna choose the names are in a hat. It's pretty simple because it's not a lot of people.
Yeah.
The thing is, you have to send me your email address and your proper name by Wednesday. When is that? The 18th? Today is 15th, 16th, 17th. The 17th. On the 17th, I should hear from you, whoever the winner is. So, Chloe's gonna pick the winner and let you know who it is. Just close your eyes. Hold up your head.
Okay.
Just put your hand in there. Pick one.
The winner is Sin City.
Oh, Sin City is the winner of the $15 Netflix gift card. So Sin City, make sure you contact me by Wednesday. This is Monday evening. Contact me in 2 days, and I'll send it to you. Chloe, you want to say anything?
Enjoy your Netflix gift card.
Bye. All right.